Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on, Zack, you lead the way. Go, go, go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Come on, man. How fast can you spin the balloon ride, Zack? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way. It's a cool Peppa Pig World up there. All aboard for the balloon ride.
How about the car one? This is
So fast.
We had to close the roof. It took 10 feet to close the roof.
So good.
Beep. Beep.
Press the buttons.
Daddy, can you press the button?
Shit up. You need to look where we're going. You want to crash.
No, it can drive itself. Daddy, we don't want to drive. Only cars are driving it. Daddy,
Yes, okay, keep looking forwards.
no, a car is driving itself.
Okay.
Right, you're too good for this, aren't you? You know how to drive a car now. So cheese.
7.5.
Cheese.
Hey. Oh, look over here.
There's a rabbit and George. We don't want to go for a
Don't want to go for a red light.
green light.
Oh, okay.
George.
That's my cute, George. Please don't. You're going to go on it. They're literally cute for it. So, do you want to go on George again?
No, not George.
Daddy wants to go on it.
I've not been on it, Zack. You want to show me how to go on it? Oh! Zacky, hello! Okay, yeah. Stay away from